breathe. Revolution now. We can't 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 breathe. Revolution now.
Ọlọ́pàá ti gbá àwọn gbọ́ padà gbé wọn lẹ̀ ni.
Wọ́n padà sílẹ̀kùn àwọn ló sílẹ̀kùn fún mi. Live. This is my country. I have the right to do whatever This is my country, man, and I have all rights.
We are not animals. We are human beings.
Yes.
We are human beings.
Blood run through our veins. Nigeria must be free. Nigeria must be free. Nigeria must be free.
Nigeria must be free. We are not animals. We are human beings.
This is too much for us.
We are human beings.
We are youth and we know our
We
rights.
are human beings. We are not animals.
Oh! Ah!
We are not an animal. We are human beings.
They're dead. God goes through our pain. We demand to our rights. We demand our rights. Blood runs through her veins.
We are hardworking. Very We are not an animal. We are not an animal.
Go! By appreciating our doggedness, that we march, that we march
Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. Must stop. Must stop. It must stop.
We are going to be confined here. We are Nigerians.
Also. Yes. They must be bosses. Yes. For us.
Yawuna.
Show that paper.
We are live.
We are live.
You're live? Oh my gosh! Hello, Nigerians! No more sleeping, oh! No more sleeping! Fashion designer, tailor, cook, dancer, hairdresser, enemy, 1.3 GP, nothing.
I don't understand. Why we schooling then? Why we schooling then?
Buhari must resign today. Why are grateful? Why are show them?
Let them know.
I have no right to my phone.
They don't have no right to my phone. They don't have right to my privacy.
Nigerians deserve better. Nigerians deserve better. Para.
I don't understand. Then why are we schooling? If there's no provision for job, then why are we schooling? What's the essence of we schooling here? We are tired. This suffering is too much for us. What is social media? Imagine 4.3. I didn't understand 4.3. This is too much. You know everything you get from. It's too much now. 4.3. They low. Young law school 4.3. It's too much now. I'm going to go that. You know, so not to go and results in one. I'm all back competing now. When they go and results. What nonsense. Don't come here anything. When money no dey. Listen to wetin they tell me. Say them I wan add another fit. My great tap for where.